I see you struggle like butterflies in water, can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I would walk on glass, I would run 10,000 miles and more. I would give my eyes if you lost your sight. I would run through fire, I would carry you through the heat. I would do it all again if you needed me to.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to CHELLESGLAMHOME. Well, today's video, guys, is a cozy decorate with me of my coffee bar. I hope you enjoy. Now, my inspiration for the video was this coffee sign that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. So I started by first of all cleaning my appliances. Now guys, these are my Smeg appliances. Not only do I absolutely love the colour, I truly love them in the quality that they are. Now they are a high-end piece, guys, but I tend to, if people want to buy me something for Christmas or my birthday, for example, when I turned 50, my children bought me the kettle and my husband bought me the toaster. So that's how I get these beautiful Smeg appliances, but I definitely recommend them. They have been definitely worth the money. Now, I wanted to share with you a recent purchase that I got from the Reject Shop. Now, here in Australia, we have a store called the Reject Shop, which is a discount variety store, and they've brought in, guys, the most beautiful home decor. And I couldn't pass up this gorgeous bee teapot as well as the matching mugs. Now, I know normally bees would be associated with spring, guys, but I wanted to show you how I'm going to incorporate it into my cozy decor.
What's the angle? I'm not playing that game. It's the same business with a different name. Who's the target? Sorry, I'm not in the market. If I quit
decorating my shelves next to my coffee bar, and I got these adorable little sweater mugs from Temu.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something.
Now, also from Temu, guys, I picked up these pumpkin paper plates, and I love layering my plates, guys, and I think they just add a perfect touch.
It ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me. I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up.
As it's currently winter time here in Australia, I'm so enjoying bringing out all the cozy vibes in my home.
You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate cozy when it comes to your coffee bar.
Something to me, you do that something to my heart.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back on Friday, guys, at 8 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.
Something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, 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 oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up.
Leave me a comment down below what was your favourite part of the video and how will you be styling your coffee table this cozy season.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go.